Hey guys, so Dean and I were taking this little hike today. We're staying over at Shell Point Campground. I'll show you that nice little campground. Anyway, there's this trail right by the campground and we were walking it today. And actually before we went walking, I did a little research on some of the plants that we might see. And one was called a coontie, C-O-O-N-T-I-E, and I'd never heard of it before. And I didn't think I would see one because it was so funky looking, and I thought, there's no way I'd see one. And I found one, and I came back because we didn't have the camera, but Dean's putting up the drone tonight, and so I came back on the trail by where he's putting up the drone, and it's kind of dark, so sorry if there's a lot of light noise, but I gotta show you this thing. It's so weird. Look, it's right here. So the plant itself is not like super weird, right? But look at the base. So, okay, let me try to get it. So see this dark one? This big one right here? That one hasn't been opened yet, but it looks like some animals have gotten to this one. And these are at the base of this plant, and it comes apart like in your hand, so I can't even. Kind of reminds me of how pomegranate seeds come apart. I wish you could see it in person because it's so hard to really film this for you. Those of you that have seen them a million times because you're from Florida, you're probably like, I don't know why that's a big deal, but they're just funky, you guys. They're so cool. So these big ones, these are the female, and let's see, I think I saw the ones that have like cones or whatever how you call them, that are like skinnier or whatever. Those are the male. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some in here. Anyway, I know that's super random, but I thought you might want to see something that I thought was super cool. Coontie. And I squished them and they stink, but still cool. So anyway, I think Dean's got the drone up, so we'll go see what he's doing. But anyway, this campground, you guys, it is January, like early January. I don't even know what date it is. I don't even know what day it is, whatever. And so the mosquitoes aren't thick here, but there's still quite a few no-see-ums. But there's a playground and a little shower house, which I don't use public shower houses, so can't really tell you much about that. But it's a nice little campground for like 20 bucks a night. Right here on the bay, if you call it a bay. I'm probably gonna erase everything I'm saying right now because I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. Which I don't. This whole Florida thing I'm learning about. I don't know what they're called. Is this ocean, wetlands, bay? I don't know what we're doing. We'll go see what Dean's doing. This is just a short walk down here from our campground, you guys. Oh, there's Dean. You can see, you probably can't see it. He's got his drone up.